Hello? Hey Hubs. Yeah, now reach home. You're leaving work already? Oh gosh, I didn't even cook dinner yet. All I think I had some chicken that I passed out. I have that in the fridge. I was going to make chicken and something, but I wasn't sure what. Gosh, I'm leaving now. Alright, so I'm going to go see what I could put together. I feel I might just add in some kale. Kale looking real nice in the garden, boy. Yeah, well alright, well I'll see you in a little bit. I'll go and figure out what it is to go and cook now so fast. I'll see you in a bit. Gosh, what to cook, boy? I don't have much time. Peas now, we eat peas yesterday. It's mac and cheese. Mac and cheese sounding good. I wonder how long this thing will take. Let's see. 10 minutes max. Yeah, boy, I can make this extra nice for him. I feel I'm going to make this, yes? Yeah, boy, this mac and cheese is a real deal. Ain't taking long. And I get the pasta with it. And I get the cheese sauce. I could just put some vegetables and chicken in this, and this will be a real best meal for husband. I'm sure he's going to like it. For sure. Hey guys, it's Jenna G, that's me, the Jerry from TNT, and welcome back to my channel. So yes, me in the kitchen today, whipping up something fun, exciting with a Swiss mac and cheese that is on special right now, right here in Trinidad at XTRA Foods supermarket. Now, mac and cheese does not have to be boring. Husband just called. I'm in a rush to put together a little fast, delicious meal. Didn't realize he's going to be leaving work so early. All I'm going to be doing is just taking this mac and cheese, adding some delightful vegetables, kale from my garden right outside my front door, and some chicken that I had in the fridge. Planned to do something with it today. Did not know what was going to happen with it, but guess what? We're going to add it into our mac and cheese. So it's going to be a nice short video. We can make mac and cheese fun. Let's do this. So first thing we're going to be doing is just cutting up our vegetables to add into our mac and cheese. I just took out some vegetables that I have in the fridge already because it's a small pack of macaroni. It's not going to take much. Husband loves veggie overloaded anything. So we add in vegetables. You add in some tomatoes, a red bell pepper here, chopping up some of this kale that I just picked, and a little piece of onion, of course. Onion and everything. Alright guys, so we've got our water up boiling according to the box. We just need to boil the pasta for 7 to 10 minutes. So while that's boiling, we have another pot up because we're trying to save time before husband gets home. And I'm just going to be cooking my chicken with this. This is some chicken that I had parceled out. This comes in very handy. I suggest that you all, do this kind of stuff. Parcel out your meats, your chicken, label them so it'll be easy when it's time to cook. No idea what I was going to be cooking today, but of course we're going to be going the mac and cheese way, spicing it up a little bit. Not necessarily literally, but we're going to be adding all these colorful vegetables to make it extra nice. So to our pot, we're going to be adding our chicken. Now this chicken, I just seasoned it with a little bit of thyme and some GGM all-purpose seasoning. Then I'm going to add my onions, my peppers, my tomatoes, and of course my delicious kale. I'm just going to cover it so that the vegetables could cook properly. Alright, so just about checking our chicken and vegetables while our pasta is boiling. Everything is looking good together. Now we're going to be adding our butter according to the box instructions. So, quarter cup of butter. And we add in a quarter cup of milk as well. Stir this around, let the butter get nicely melted. You'll have this on low, and then we're going to just be draining the water from the pasta that we have cooking. So we have our pasta ready, and we're going to be adding the cheese mixture that comes with the mac and cheese package. We're going to be adding that in. Oh, it just smells so good. Stir this around, and we're going to be bringing our pasta. In goes the pasta. Turn off our heat. Doesn't this look delightful? Now, one thing to note, the package instructions said boil with some salt. I did not. I have some all-purpose in that I season my chicken with, but I'm going to be adding just a touch more. So this is just about a quarter spoon we add into it because our chicken already has some, and we're going to be adding some garlic powder to this as well. Now let's just stir everything around. Look at how colorful and yummy this looks. It smells so good. Kale in it, we got peppers, onions, tomatoes. You put any vegetables you like, any vegetables you have in it. And look how nicely and quickly we can make a simple box of mac and cheese into a nice dinner. In no time at all, guys, less than half an hour, we were able to put together this yummy looking mac and cheese. We went from a simple box of mac and cheese. All we did is add some chicken and some vegetables, any vegetable you like, any quantity you like, and look at this delightful dinner we have for later. Now, gonna give you a little taste test from, well, you're getting a little taste test from husband. Left work a little earlier than he was supposed to, so I had to scramble and find something. Swiss mac and cheese came to the rescue, of course. And don't forget, this item is actually on special in XTRA Foods right here in Trinidad for August. So don't miss out on that. Each month they have different items. You get to put together delicious meals looking like this from a simple box of mac and cheese. So be sure to check them out for more specials that they have going on for this month.
Hi honey, a rough day at work today, girl. I'm real hungry.
I make some nice food for you.
This looking different. I never really get anything like this before, but I'm real hungry. I'm gonna give it a try. This hits a new spot. Tastes going down good. But what is called this?
It's a special gourmet chicken and veggies cheesy pasta made just for you.
You probably take real long to make this, girl.
Boy, when I tell ya. So you like it, man?
I feel like I could take an next portion of this.
Don't worry yourself. I have you covered for the next week.
Nice to bad, man. Nice to bad.